Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a transformation because I look a little bit crusty, okay? So I'm going to just start off by saying I already did my eyebrows off camera because as soon as I sat down to film this video, why did my neighbor start mowing his lawn? Like, that's just like a little bit rude. The reason I wanted to do this video was because I was really inspired by the Boxy Charm box that I received for the month of April, and also I got some hair extensions in the mail that I'm going to try to make work and try to like transform this hair. These are like 3-day-old braids. I haven't touched them, I haven't redid anything. So yeah, we're gonna fix all this and see what kind of look we can get out of nothing. So I just received April's box and I was really inspired because it came with like a bunch of colorful things, like super springtime, super colorful, super like happy vibes I felt when I opened the box. And I'm gonna go over some of the things that I got. So first I got these Hank and Henry beauty sponges, and this is what they look like, and they have a little owl logo on them. One of them does, the big one, but they are like neon yellow or neon green sponges, and they have like a square flat bottom. The next thing that really caught my attention was these lavish brushes. I actually just used this green one to kind of conceal my eyebrows. It came with an eyebrow brush, an eyebrow groomer, an eye shading brush, which is this blue one. It came with this yellow fine liner brush. What is this? A tapered blending brush is the pink one, and a pencil brush is the orange one. So those are the brushes. The next thing that I'm super excited about are these gel paint like eyeliners. I'm not exactly sure if they are actually eyeliners or maybe they're multi-purpose kind of liner things, but I got an electric pink one and an electric blue one, and they're from the brand Illuminati. So let's see. That is what they look like. One is like hot pink, one is electric blue. So I'm gonna try to incorporate that today. The thing I got, which I have tried before and I really do like, is this Professional primer from the brand Benefit. So I used to buy this one and then I kind of just stopped buying it and I started buying the baby skin one from Maybelline because I feel like it's kind of the same exact thing. Okay, so those are some of the things that I'm going to be using in today's video. I also have some other things that I'm going to incorporate that I have received in previous Boxy Charm months, and one of those things is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I received these foundations. They're obviously sample size, so I don't really know how that is going to cover my whole face, or maybe it will, but I got the colors Bamboo, Olive, and Driftwood, and I think Olive and Driftwood, these two, whatever this one is, I can't read it. Driftwood probably will be good. It might be a little bit light, so I'll probably just mix these. I don't really know. We'll see how it looks. So for my eyebrows, if you guys are curious, I use the NYX Cosmetics micro brow pencil in the color Espresso. I use this one for my brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and dampen these beauty sponges so I can use them with the foundation, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and do you see how big this beauty sponge got? Like, this looks like one of those body sponge ones. I'll probably just end up using this little mini one. All right, so I'm just gonna open this foundation up. Oh, I guess just take it off of here. And what does it say? It's water resistant, transfer resistant, coverage without the cake. I wish these were bigger, because like, how is this really gonna cover my whole face? Maybe it's not meant to actually be used, or maybe it's just meant to figure out what shade you are. Wait, what am I doing? I'm crazy. I don't know why I almost started putting on my foundation before I put on my primer, but I'm going to be opening up this. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. I also think I might have had this foundation for longer than I thought, because for some reason it seems super dry, and I know it's just like a little bit of foundation that is in this package, but I don't know, it seems a little bit dry. It's okay if it doesn't cover everything because I'm most likely just going to go in with my Bare Minerals powder foundation anyway. It's just me using all of the Driftwood and Olive foundation, mixing it. And I know you guys probably can't see what I see because this camera really blurs everything out. It's more like a vlogging camera. It's not really meant for this, but that's all I have, so that's what I'm using. I'm gonna go in with my regular Bare Minerals foundation, and whenever I use this, I always put my concealer underneath it first, and I just use the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Concealer in the color medium. I use this one. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put that under my eyes, and then also put it on like areas that I want to lighten, like around my mouth and my forehead. So I'm using that Hank & Henry beauty sponge. I'm using the mini one. We're gonna see how this works. Okay, so next I'm going in with my Bare Minerals powder foundation. I use the color Golden Tan 20. I've been using this and this color for probably more than like 5 years now. It's my favorite and it doesn't break me out or anything. It's like the only foundation that I really trust. And I also just use this like Bare Minerals Kabuki. I don't know if it has a name or a number. It just says beautiful finish. Oh, it has a number, 9049 BC. I don't know if that's like the actual brush number or what, but it's the little Bare Minerals Kabuki brush. And I use the matte foundation. They have the original one. I like the matte one because I am a very oily person. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with these Physicians Formula palette, and this is the Whaley Hoang palette. I don't know who she is, but yeah. And I'm just gonna go in with the brush called Apricot right here. Now that my face is pretty much done, I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and this is also a palette that I received in the Boxy Charm subscription a few months ago actually, and I really love this palette. I feel like this side of it is like springtime, summertime, and then over here is like darker colors, it's like fall, but I really want to use this color up here, so that's what I'm going for. And that's kind of bold for me, you guys. I don't do any shadow whatsoever, so we'll see how this turns out. Okay, and I'm going to be using those new brushes that I just got. So I'm going to go in with the tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to go in first with the color Sunset Rose, which is right there. I actually changed the brush that I'm going to use. I don't know the brand of this one, but I also got a pack of these brushes in my Boxy Charm a few months ago. But this one's all actually called a crease brush, and it's a little bit thicker. So I'm going to go in with that Sunset Rose color and put that in my crease. Try not to judge this until it's done, and you know, if it looks ugly at the end, well, at least I'm not going anywhere. Flat end of this brow brush to put some concealer on my eyelid and do like a little cut crease kind of thing. Whatever I could do. Let me put this down. Now I'm gonna go in with this eye shading brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Crimson right here. I feel like this might be better if I use my finger. Can you see that? Okay, so now next I'm gonna go in with this shimmer color called Hibiscus, and I'm gonna put that on top of the crimson color. So I'm trying to put on that shimmer hibiscus color, but I feel like it's just lifting up the eyeshadow. So okay, but I'm gonna move on, and I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner in the color Cause I'm Black, and do a little, I'm gonna try to do like a really thin wing liner. Let's see how thin I can keep it, because usually I just keep going until it's super thick. I'm gonna start out here. My eyes are done. I don't know how to feel about it, but we're just gonna keep going. If I didn't mention, this is the eyeshadow palette that I use. It's called Ace Beaut by Scarlet Dusk, or it's Scarlet Dusk by Ace Beaut. I'm not really sure, but yeah, that's the one that I used today. And now I'm gonna move on to my lashes. I just repeated the same steps on this eye. I did my little eyeliner and everything. Now I'm gonna be trying to put these Lily lashes on. I got these Lily lashes a few months ago, also in a Boxy Charm box. These are the CEO lashes. So we're gonna see if I can get these on today. How pretty they are. Super dramatic. I never wear anything like this. Actually, recently I've been wearing the magnetic lashes, which are so much easier for me, because if you guys have been here for a while, you know that I've tried many times to apply lashes and it just does not work for me. So Peachy! Can you freaking try to help me? Look. I can't get this on.
It looks like it's on.
No, it's not. It's not on. It's like not bendy enough, right? Like I feel like it doesn't shape my eye. It's just straight. Like it's, okay, well I guess you could do that.
You're supposed to do it.
I didn't know that. Oh my god.
Open your eyes.
I think that corner needs glue, but if you put it on.
Oh!
I know.
Wait, we'll stay here so you can put my other one on. So, with the help of my lovely sister, I got these freaking lashes on. My camera's gonna die. Let me zoom in. These are so thick. Like, they're so dramatic, honestly. I would never wear these again, but just for the sake of a transformation, I guess. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some color to my bottom lash. I'm going in with the crimson color, and I'm using the pencil brush from the Lavish set that was from my Boxy Charm. And I'm going to so I wanted to use this pink electric pink gel paint liner that I showed you guys earlier, and look what it looks like. I'm gonna put this on my lower lash line. I really like the way that looks. I feel like that would look super pretty with just a neutral eye and then just the pink liner. I feel like it would pop more, you know? But I really like the way that looks. I'm just gonna go in with my mascara and put a little bit on my lower lash line. Oh, this matches too. Go back into this palette and use the color Aruba and put some of that kind of like in my inner corner, in the inner corner of my lid. Going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys like this little transformation that I did. Let me know if you want to see me do more videos like this. I really want to try playing with makeup more because I think I did a pretty good job, and like if I just try, who knows what I could come up with or like how good it will actually be. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and we're almost at 100,000 subscribers, and that is so crazy to think that so many people even watch my videos. Like even 5,000, even like 10,000, that is so many, and I am so grateful for every single one of you guys for supporting me and for watching my videos. For real, for real. Every time I see that number, I'm just like, that's really crazy. And I always try to compare it to like a big city. Like one of my videos got like 6 million views, and I'm like, wow, there's more people who watch my video than there is who live in whatever city, you know what I mean? That's so crazy, and I appreciate you guys so much. I'm really trying to be more active and to be more consistent on my channel, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm filming on my phone right now. I just wanted to show you guys this cute little hairstyle that I did to my hair to kind of show you guys something different, because I know I only ever leave my hair out and curly, but that's really all I do. Like, I don't know what else to do to my hair and I need to learn, but I thought this was really cute, so I wanted to throw it in here. But yeah, just a high bun with these two little pieces. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.